How hypothyroidism affects fertility. First, we talk about women, then men. So, in women, it can cause hormonal imbalance. Yes, increases prolactin levels like hyperprolactinemia, which further blocks ovulation. Second one, irregular periods. Yes, sometimes irregular periods due to low thyroid hormones disrupts ovulations, causing an ovulation, no egg releases or tiny egg releases. Number third, luteal phase defect. Yes, progesterone levels drops and making it harder for the fertilized egg to implant. Increased risk of miscarriage. Yes, because of poor hormonal supports for early pregnancy. And polycystic ovarian syndrome. Yes, hypothyroidism can worsen PCOS symptoms, further reducing fertility. Now we talk about in men. So if man has hypothyroidism, so he can get low sperm count and motility. Thyroid hormones are needed for sperm production. And second one is erectile dysfunction or low libido. Hypothyroidism lowers testosterone levels. And third one is hormonal imbalance. Yes, alerts LH and FSH hormones necessary for sperm health. Now I tell you what hypothyroidism affect during pregnancy. So if untreated, hypothyroidism can cause difficulty conceiving, early miscarriages, complications like preeclampsia, preterm birth, and impaired brain development of the fetus, means mental retarded baby. In the end, in last, I tell you key points. Even subclinical hypothyroidism mild with normal T3, T4 but high TSH can reduce fertility. That's why doctors often check TSH, T3, T4 and anti-thyroid antibodies in couples struggling with conception. With proper thyroid medications like levothyroxine or thyroxine and lifestyle management, most people can restore normal fertility. If you want to know more knowledgeable videos like this, so follow my account, subscribe my channel. This is Dr. Arzani Saeed.